Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to our online class of National College. How are you all? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. So dear students, are you ready for the class? I am taking your English class. Can you tell me what was our previous topic? Yes, changing sentences. So today I also take changing sentences class. Okay? And today I will show how you will make interrogative or imperative sentence from assertive or affirmative. Dear students, you know interrogative, that means question. Okay, when we ask any question by the sentence, we call it interrogative sentence, and we use interrogative sign also. And imperative, order, request. Okay, so let's see how we will make interrogative or imperative sentence from affirmative or assertive. Let's see. I'll show. Dear students, can you see here? It takes some time. Can you see, all of you? Assertive to imperative or interrogative. So let's see it first. Assertive to interrogative. I told interrogative means question. Okay, so if you see any assertive sentence with auxiliary verb, okay, that means again I will tell, if you see any assertive sentence with auxiliary verb, that time what you will do? At first you will write auxiliary verb and join not. Okay, if that sentence will be affirmative, that time you will make it negative. Okay, and if you see assertive sentence is negative, that time you will make it affirmative. After that you add question mark. Okay, let's see. First example I write here, Kamal was a good boy. What I told, if you see any assertive sentence with auxiliary verb, okay, auxiliary verb means helping verb. Can you see here, after Kamal was, you know, was is auxiliary verb, and what you will write at first? Auxiliary verb you will write at first, and Kamal was a good boy. This is not negative sentence, this is affirmative sentence. So you make it negative and question. Okay, interrogative. So what you write? At first you write, wasn't Kamal a good boy? This is question. So clear? At first we will write auxiliary verb, then we make it negative. Okay, how will make it negative? Use not. Was not Kamal a good boy? So clear? At first we will write auxiliary verb with negative, then Kamal a good boy, after that question mark. Let's see another example. They are not playing. So here also you can see auxiliary verb, and this sentence negative sentence. So you will make it affirmative. Okay, so how will make it affirmative? When you write affirmative or assertive, that time you will write not. No. So at first you will write auxiliary verb are. Clear? Then are they playing? This is the question or interrogative sentence. Are they playing? So clear how we will write? Okay, then at first I discuss about with auxiliary verb. Okay, now let's see without any auxiliary verb. If you see any assertive sentence, no auxiliary verb, that time how you will make interrogative? I told in my previous class also, do not, doesn't, and did not. Okay, so when you write don't, when you write doesn't, and when you will use didn't, I told already in my previous class, So if you see any auxiliary, without see any auxiliary, that time what you use? Don't, doesn't, or didn't. Okay, so let the example, let's see example. Lisa sings very well. Okay, Lisa sings very well. So interrogative, I told. Here sings, that means after verb you can here see s. I told, if you see after verb s or es, that time you will write doesn't. Okay, if you see past verb, past form of verb, that time you use didn't. Clear? So what you will write here? Doesn't. Clear? Doesn't Lisa sing very well? Can you see? Doesn't Lisa sing very well? Question mark. So clear? Again I tell, without any auxiliary verb you can see any affirmative or assertive sentence, you will use don't or doesn't or didn't. So clear? And here after verb s, if you see after verb any s or es, that time you use doesn't. And if you see past form of verb, that time you will write didn't. Clear? Okay, then next rule, rules number 3. Okay, can you see here? I write everybody, everyone, or all. Can you see here? Everybody, everyone, or all. If you see any assertive sentences, these 3 words, everybody, everyone, or all, these 3 words, that time you will write at first who. Okay, then doesn't or did not. Clear? Does not or did not. So clear? How you will use does not or did not? According to the tense. According to the tense. Clear? So see the example. Assertive sentence. Everybody knows him. What I told. If everybody, everyone, or all, these 3 words, you will write at first who. Clear? Then does not or did not. So here can you see after verb s, knows. See here after verb s, so you will use here does not. At first you will write who, then does not, then verb present form know, then him. So let's see the example. Who does not know him? Who does not know him? So clear, dear students? Because here everybody. Can you see everybody? Who at first, then does not. Okay? Then know him. After finish the interrogative sentence, you should use this sign. Interrogative mark. Okay, then assertive, another example. All loved her. Okay, all loved her. See here, loved. What tense? Loved? Present? Past? Yes, past tense. So at first you will write who. Okay, then for the past tense, what you will write? Did not. Yes, who did not love her? Who didn't love her? Clear? Again I will tell everybody. If you see everybody, everyone, or all in any assertive sentence, that time at first you will write who, does not, did not. Okay, according to the tense. So already I discussed when you use does not and when you will use did not. So clear, dear students? Okay, next, see next rule, how you will make interrogative. If you see any assertive sentence, this word nobody, none. Okay, nobody or none in any assertive sentence, you will see that time also you will write at first who. Okay, who. So clear? What word? Nobody or none. If you say any assertive sentence, these two words, at first you will write, when you will do interrogative, who. Okay, then you write after that left part. Okay, so let's see the example. Nobody believes a liar. So what is the answer? Who loves a liar? This is question. Okay, assertive sentence. Let's see. Nobody believes a liar. So when you will make it interrogative, you will write who believes a liar. So clear? And after the interrogative sentence, you should use interrogative sign. Clear? Clear, dear students? Okay. So already I think you are clear about interrogative sentence. Okay, let's see how we'll make imperative sentence from assertive. Okay, dear student, let's see. I write here, if assertive sentence start with second person. You know what is second person? You. Okay, and first person I. Clear? And you here second person. So if assertive sentence start with second person and it is negative, okay, from verb, it is negative, we will start from verb, and for negative you will write do not. Okay, so what you will do, if you see any assertive sentence starting with second person, that means you. Okay, and that this is negative sentence. Okay, starting with second person and this sentence is negative sentence. So that time what you will do, you will write at first do not. I told. Imperative means, what is imperative? Imperative means command, request or advice. Okay, we know imperative sentence we will show command, request or advice. Clear? So when you will make imperative sentence, that time you will show any command, request or advice. Clear? So I told, if you say any assertive sentence starting with second person means starting with you, and this assertive sentence is negative, that time you will write at first do not. Clear? Then you will write verb. At first you will write do not. Let's see the example. I write at first do not, then I write here verb. See, verb, run. Okay, run here, then next part. So what is the imperative sentence? Do not run in the sun. Clear? This is what? Command, request or advice? Advice. Do not run in the sun. So clear, dear students? But the sentence is affirmative. This is the question. Now I told about negative question. Okay, negative sentence. Now you will see, if sentence is affirmative, that time what you will do? If sentence is affirmative, that time you will start from the verb. You don't use do not. Okay, you start from the verb. So at first you will see this is negative sentence or affirmative sentence. Clear? If that sentence is negative, that time you will start do not. But the sentence is affirmative, that time you start from the verb. Let's see the example. See the example. Affirmative sentence. You must obey your teachers. This is affirmative sentence. So I told you will make imperative from affirmative. You will start from the verb. Which one is verb here? You must obey your teachers. Here verb is obey. Clear? So in an imperative sentence you starting with obey. Clear? Obey, then your teachers. Clear? obey your teachers. Mind it, you will make imperative sentence. That means here we will show any comment, request or advice. Clear? So dear students, clear? If you will see affirmative sentence, that time you will start from where? Verb. Okay? So here is obey verb. So obey your teachers. Okay, dear students, let's see another example. If you will see request word in assertive sentence, okay, if you will see request word, if you will see request in any assertive sentence, that time instead of request you will write please or kindly. Clear? You can use please or kindly instead of request. Clear all of you? Again I'll tell. If you see any assertive sentence, request this word. Okay? You will write please or kindly instead of request. See the example. You are requested to help him. Can you see here? You are requested to help him. See the copy. You are requested to help him. So what I told, if you see request this word, you start with please or kindly. Clear? So how we will make it imperative? Very simple. Please help him. After please you will write verb. Clear? So what is the answer? Please help him. That's all. So dear students, clear how we will make assertive to imperative? Okay, next another rule. If you can see any assertive sentence start with first person or third person. What is first person? Who is first? I. Okay? And third person? He. Yes. And second person? You. So, if you see any assertive sentence start with first person or looks here first or third person. Okay? What you will do? When you make it imperative, you starting word let. First time you will write let. Okay? Then what you will write? Objective pronoun. Objective pronoun means what? I discussed in my voice class. Okay? If you can see I, you will write me. Okay? If you see we, you can use us. And if you see he, you use or write him. She, her, they, them. And all are objective pronoun. Clear? So at first what is your duty? At first you will write let, then you will write objective pronoun. Clear? After that you will complete imperative sentence. Let's see the example. Now see here example. First example, I must go now. Okay? I must go now. I told, if you see any assertive sentence start with first or third person. Okay? Here first person I. Starting assertive sentence with first person. Okay? So I must go now. What is the imperative? How will make it imperative? I told, at first you will write let. Then what? Objective pronoun. So here is I in assertive sentence. So I, instead of I, which objective pronoun you will use here? Yes, me. So answer, let me go now. Clear? Now second example, he should do the sum. He should do the sum. Can you see here? Starting word, which one? Which person? Yes, third person, he. So here also we can use let. Okay. So first word I start with let, then he. Instead of he we write here objective pronoun him. So clear? Him, then do the sum. So clear, dear students? See again, I will discuss. He should do the sum. He here third person. So we can use here let. Okay. Then he. What is objective pronoun? He. Yes, him. Then do the sum. So clear, my dear students? I think all of you are clear about today's topic, and I hope if you will practice at your home, you can understand easily from my lecture. Okay, so I hope you will follow my lecture, you will practice at your home. If you will any confusion, you can call me. Okay, so all of you clear today's topic, my dear students? Today that's all. I pray for you. Yes, we Allah help us, and I think we will overcome this situation. Okay, and I pray for all. Thank you. That's all today. Okay, bye bye.